Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. As I have discussed in my previous lecture about your fourth chapter, that is nervous system, I have discussed different organs of your nervous system, their parts of nervous system, and different organs perform different types of functions to communicate messages in our body and to control different body organs. Today I am going to discuss about further for chapter nervous system. So first of all, today I will discuss about a topic that is reflex action. What is reflex action? Reflex action, those actions which are automatically respond on the for the any automatic response. The movement of the body which occurred in our body automatically, and these responses are not in our control. So these actions which are not in our control are called as reflex action. As similarly, suddenly without any information, any pin stick in our body, any hot object touch in our body, then suddenly we push back our hand. So these sudden movement occurred by any automatic response, by any automatic event, sudden response given for the any automatic response, any automatic event is called reflex action, and these actions are not in our control. These actions are not controlled by our brain. These actions are controlled by, these actions are only transmitted to a spinal cord, and a spinal cord only give message to our brain, but brain cannot control these types of movement. These actions are called as reflex action. Reflex action is those actions which are performed by our body which are not in our control. This is sudden movement for the automatic any event of the body. By touching of any hot object, we push back our hands. This is not in our control of the brain. So these are reflex action. Now some organs are found in our body by which we know all around of the surroundings. Some organs by which we know outside of the world, that is called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, skin and tongue, and with the help of these 5 sense organs we know all outside of the world. So first of all, eye. With the help of eye we see different types of things. Eye have different parts, that is cornea, iris, pupil, lens. With the help of these parts and eye we see different types of objects, different types of things of the world, and we found it. Eye have optic nerves. Previously I have studied about nerves, different types of nerves. So eye have nerves of the eye which transfer sight messages, for the looking of anything, that is called optic nerves. These optic nerves transfer visual messages from eye to brain, and after transferring eye to brain we see different types of things. So first sense organ which is found in our body, that is eye. Next sense organ is ear. With the help of ear we hear different types of sound. of the surroundings, and with the help of nerves, auditory nerve is found in our ear. With the help of auditory nerve, sound is transferred to the brain, and then we hear different types of sound. Nose, with the help of nose we smell different types of things. So nose have also nerves that is called olfactory nerves, and with the help of olfactory nerves we get a smell of different types of materials. So this is the third sense organ of the body, and nose is also used to breathing. Nostril is also used for breathing. Fourth sense organ is tongue. With the help of tongue we taste different types of food items. So to identify different types of food items, there are so many types of taste buds found on our tongue, and by which we taste different types, as we eat salty material, we eat sweet material, we eat bitter. So different taste buds identify different types of taste, as from the front side is sweet taste bud, then back salt, then back sour, and then at last in inner side we taste bitter taste. So four types of taste buds are found on our tongue, by which we find out different types of taste of our food items. And the next sense organ and the largest sense organ of our body is a skin. With the help of a skin we touch different types of material, different types of things, and by touching we also identify materials. By touching we can feel that this is that material, this is that material. So a skin is also a sense organ. We touch, we feel pain, heat, cold. So these are 5 sense organs by which we know outside of the world: by eye, see; by ear, hear; by nose, a smell; by tongue, taste; and by a skin, touch. So these are facts about your 4th chapter, that is nervous system. Next time we will meet with new topic for your science book. For today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.